Hey beauties, I am so excited to share this Sunday Riley unboxing and review with you all today. I was a part of their Amplifying Melanated Voices series, and everything that I received is just out of this world. So let's take this makeup off and get to reviewing. Watch until the end for a hands-on review and first-time reaction. I was so ecstatic to receive this box. It had so many goodies that I hadn't tried before. It was really important for me to explore in Sunday Riley, try something new. The timing was so perfect because I was looking for new skincare and something that wouldn't make me break out since my skin is so sensitive. I'm not even going to lie, I was overwhelmed by the goodies that I received. I started with CEO Glow. I was kind of struggling to remove it from the box. That's how secure it was. It smells so good. I really like that the pump doesn't release too much product. Now this is about to be super useful. The packaging kind of looks like a brand new iPhone. That's what my under eye is going to look like, brand new, because I kind of look like Beetlejuice right now. And this is well needed. A cute little pump. Sunday Riley did an amazing job with describing the actual product. It's so amazing to have that guidance and direction on the packaging so I don't have 5,000 questions. Sunday Riley's packaging is definitely on point. So kudos to Sunday Riley for that. I'll be going more in depth of every single product during my review. And if you know me, water creams are my favorite. I really like anything lactic acid. It makes my skin tingle, but it really does wonders. I'm excited to try this. My skin just seems to absorb it really well, but I am trying it on my hands. Let's see what it looks like on my face later on this video. Facts. There's nothing worse than itching my scalp. I hate that. This is so cute. I love the squeezy tubes. I'm super clumsy, so this is amazing. I'm so grateful for receiving these products, Sunday Riley. I hope it changes my skincare game. And let's get this review show on the road. Now that this unboxing gave me life, let's take this makeup off. Okay, let's take this makeup off and get to reviewing. So I use the makeup wipe to remove most of my makeup. Obviously, it doesn't remove everything, so I still have some on, still have some mascara, a little bit of base. That's why it's so important to have a cleanser to come and really remove everything and all the dirt, impurities, pollution, name it. Let's get some fresh, clear skin. So the ceramic slip is gentle, it's plant-based, leaves you with a hydrating, radiant glow, makes your pores look smaller, and one of the things that I like the most about it is that it's French green clay, so you already know. So I like that it's not too bubbly, but I still feel like it's cleaning and it's doing the job. You really don't need that much. A little bit really goes a long way. I love this. It smells clean. It smells very earthy. If you're into like cute smells, it might not be for you. So all my makeup is off completely. I see it. I feel it. I can see how tired I've been in the last couple of days. So I let it air dry just so I can see if it dries up my skin, how I feel. My skin just feels clean, flawless, hydrated, fresh. I feel like singing Outcast, So Fresh and So Clean right now. I don't feel like my skin is dried up or anything like that. I feel great. My skin feels good. So let's try the next goodie. Good Genes all-in-one lactic acid treatment removes all the dark spots, discoloration, dullness. It helps with clarity, radiance, and improves lines and visibility of wrinkles within 3 minutes. Big old pump. Oh, it smells so yummy. So smells like a spicy tangerine dream. I feel a little tingle from the acid. I love the way my skin feels right now. I know something is happening. I feel it. It's been about 5 minutes and my skin had the time to truly absorb everything. My skin is visibly more radiant than it was. I can see the dullness just poof, gone, disappeared. I love staying in the sun. All the burnt skin is just completely gone. It's making my skin nice and bright. I'm very happy about this right now. Autocorrect Brightening and Depuffing Eye Contour Cream. They say to use the ring finger. Okay, so I'm gonna go massage it. I haven't been sleeping a lot and I'm the type of person, if I don't sleep, you can really tell that I haven't slept. I can either look super flawless or I look like Tales from the Crypt. I definitely need this in my life. And this is fun because you can put it on day or night. Or both. I'll probably be doing both. Super creamy and feels good. Let it activate. Eye creams usually take a while to really show and prove what they can really do. This is the first time that I'm applying it and I already feel like it's working on the darkness under my eyes. So far so good, but I'll definitely keep you updated on that. So now we're gonna go with Tidal, the Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. My skin usually really loves water cream, so I'm excited to try this on. And I think it's really cool that it comes with a little stick so I can pick it up and massage on my face. So let's check it out. It looks like the Loch Ness monster of my dreams. It smells super earthy. It doesn't bother me at all. It's very neutral and I'm very zen, so I love this. So let's scoop some of this bad boy out. Ooh, I kind of like this. I was gonna use my finger, but let's try the other side just to really come and massage it to the skin. This feels great. So it's super lightweight. It's oil-free, which I love. My skin is super dewy and hydrated, so I'm really happy about that. My next victim is CEO Glow. Ideally, I would put this on as soon as I finish washing my face, right before Good Jeans, but I really wanted to try on the moisturizer, so I'll probably put this on top, but usually this would go first. It smells so yummy. That's pretty much the first thing that I smelled and I'm like, they had me. Ooh. You can never have too much glow, right? So I'm really obsessed with this and I wish my whole life smelled like CEO Glow. My skin is super sensitive usually, so I would already be breaking out if this was a product that wouldn't work for me. So far, so good. And I'm looking forward to trying it on for more time. Obviously, there's going to be a bigger effect the longer you try products. I'm speechless. Skin loves it. My skin is glowing, it's shining, and the darkness around my eyes just poof, disappeared, and I still haven't slept yet. So this is amazing, and I'm really excited about all these products. Sunday Riley, thank you so much. Yeah, definitely recommended. 10 on 10 for me. Thank you for watching my Sunday Riley unboxing and review. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. More slay coming your way.